I'm going to teach you now a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for your dinner. To start, in a bowl, add 2 eggs and beat them. Oh, and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now, in a frying pan, add 1 drizzle of olive oil. Next, dice half an onion and add it to the skillet. Also, cut half a red bell pepper and add that as well. To continue, cut half a yellow bell pepper and add it. Also, half diced tomato, 1 tablespoon of tomato extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of water, and stir. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and so delicious. I'm sure everybody will like the result. After that, cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of instant noodles, a little water, and let cook. Then uncover, stir. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. And add the beaten eggs. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the videos and comment below, I love noodles. To finish, add mozzarella cheese to taste and fine herbs to taste. Cover and let this cheese cook au gratin. And our recipe is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.